Q 讲，我们准备去看房子，就在我们的 neighborhood 里面的 Unit 60。从我们家走过来只要2分钟。It's this one， 我们的房仲已经在那边了。Here is Unit 60。所以外面有这些 bushes。Little coded gate, number coded gate.
So you guys already own a home in this?
Yes.
Right?
Yes. But originally we bought that house just so Jason can. It's kind of like his co-house.
Right.
Because we're not sure whether or not we'll move down here completely.
Ooh, it's nice.
Yeah.
Super nice.
It's completely clean.
Whoa. This light is so cool. Living room.
This is like the dining area.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought. Oh, that's living room. Oh. Kitchen. Oh, brand new kitchen.
It has
Oh, same stove as ours. Same stove. Fridge there.
no. It's
Oh,
different.
is that a grill?
Yeah. It's different. It's gas.
Oh, it's gas. What? They can use gas here?
That's
Is our electricity?
It's gas.
Oh, ours gas also at our
No,
home?
our is electric.
Oh, I thought it's standard. Okay, standardized. Whoa. What is this room? Let's see. Oh, walk-in closet. A bathroom here. Oh, bright and new. Oh, washer is here. Oh, how do you open this door? Oh, garage. Okay. And there's a side door that goes out to the main door. Oh, David joined. David joined the party. Oh, yours.
Meeting's actually 5 minutes away.
Oh, good. Okay. Hiya. Yay.
They really did a lot of.
哇，超漂亮的。哇。哇。
Very nice
哎，超棒的。这 balcony 好漂亮。
但是就是高尔夫球经常打过来。
对。
再加一个防弹玻璃。
加一个防弹玻璃。哦，超赞的。Oh man, so good. 这是 master 吗 ？Yeah, I think walk-in closet. 好大的 closet. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Glasses. 乐高可以放这里。Nice.
78年的房子。
一样啊，我们房子不是都同一年的吗？这整个社区都是1978。哦，这是它是 sliding door, very interesting. 哈哈哈。Sliding barn door. Wow. 你要看好 Q 啊，看好 Q，他不要下楼梯。Oh, the bedroom here. Oh, the same sliding glass. The same sliding glass as our house. Same design. Master's over there.
你看它那个打开，照这是隔壁的屋顶。
那你打开。
是屋顶。
Oh, okay. Not so great view here. And then this is the bathroom over here. There's only 2.5 bathrooms, not 3. I think that's it. That's it. Big, Karen. Oh, you're stuck?
Yeah, I just.
Yeah, no worries. I'm assuming right now.
Because right now I'm just wondering because we